Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Meta Ray-Ban glasses to Spotify. To connect them to Spotify, simply click on Settings in top right corner. The ones that are lower, you can see there are two gear icons. You need to click on those that are lower within the frame of the device, and then go to Connected Apps. Now you can select Spotify and click on Connect Spotify tab. Now you'll need to open the settings and go to Permissions in Spotify, then allow nearby devices. Let's allow them. And now let's go. I think we need to go back with this button actually. Now let's try connecting to Spotify, and yes, it's connected. Now simply go to touchpad, and you can set either the press and hold or free finger tap and hold, but the free finger tap and hold doesn't have a Spotify option, so only for the tap and hold. I'll set it to Spotify tap. And now when I put the glasses on and press and hold on the touchpad on the right side, I'll turn on Spotify. So okay, I press and hold, and now I don't know if you can hear it, but it is indeed playing yeah, it works basically. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.